investing is a process of constant learning. It is often said that the day an investor stops to learn is the day he starts to lose his grip. So if you're about to begin with your first investment, or you're already in the market, when the market looks highly unpredictable, it makes sense for all of us to turn back to the experiences and the lessons shared by some of the great investors. On this Teacher's Day, let us take a look at few books that can take your understanding of investment to the next level. But before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and help me cross 400 subscribers. When we talk about investing, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is considered as the Bible of investing. This book has taught many great investors, including the greatest of all time, Warren Buffett. This book is simply based on the philosophy of value investing and is often called the book for super investors. Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad Poor Dad. You might have heard about this one. It is one of the best sellers of all time. And this book goes into the difference between working for money and having your money work for you. It is one of the most read personal finance books ever written. And the book is an amazing investment for your time. And it goes into financial literacy, financial independence, and building wealth from various assets. The Alchemy of Finance is written by one of the world's greatest traders, George Soros. In this book, he reveals the investment strategies that have made him the most powerful and profitable investors in the world today. The book represents a practical and theoretical account of current financial trends, along with the specifically chosen economic and political events of recent history. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch earned the reputation of top performer when he constantly beat the market with an average annual return of 30%. And took a fund worth $18 million to $14 billion. One Up on Wall Street is a book written in an easy-to-follow language where the author shares his investing style, investment strategies, and guides on how to pick a stock for great returns. This book is often regarded as a must-read for all the investors. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits is a unique book written by Philip Fisher, where he discusses the basic idea of investing in the already established great businesses and enjoy your profits while you relax. This book is an age-old formula for new age investments. Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. Market Wizards is a classic interview-style textbook in which the author shares the experiences of hundreds of traders who have made millions from as little as thousands or hundreds. It is regarded as one of the best-selling trading books of all time. We have already talked about the Bible of investing. Let me share with you the Bible of trading. Technical Analysis Explained by Martin Pring is often regarded as the Bible of trading. This book is so good that you would want to stick to it whether you want to learn about the data, the theories, or you want to trade stocks for a living. It is a must read for you. This book is so good that various financial institutes in the world recommend this book for professional certification. That's my list of 7 books that can help you take your understanding of investing to the next level. Books are often regarded as the greatest teacher, and it is true. We can't experience everything since we have this limited lifespan, but we can learn about the experience of others by reading the books. So which one are you going to start with? Would it be The Intelligent Investor or The Technical Analysis Explained? Let me know in the comment section below. And please make sure you subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends and family. We shall meet soon with the next video. Till then, take care and happy investing.